Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Spy Cyrus. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on, like this. Next thing you want to do is you want to locate the top portion and the bottom portion of your frames. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull outward on the frame and push the lens forward. Like so. You should hear that popping sound. If you do, don't be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate the top and bottom portion of your frames and we're going to pull outward as we push the lens forward. Try it one more time. Should hear that pop. Perfect. Now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, same thing, turn your frame around, and we're going to want to locate those grooves on the inside of the frame. Once we locate those grooves, go ahead and line up your lens. Once the lens is lined up, push forward, and you should hear that popping sound again. Place your thumbs around the edges of the lens just to make sure that it's seated correctly. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate the outside grooves. Line up your lens. And push forward. So you hear that pop. Run your thumbs along the outside of the edge of the lens just to make sure that it's locked in correctly. And you're good to go. Now once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses, we would love to see how you've customized your look for your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to always give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.